Good morning, guys. Today we woke up so early and we are about to leave Dumaguete City. We just had a quick breakfast, guys, and then we grabbed some coffee. And now we are heading to Bacolod City. As you don't know, guys, it is also called City of Smiles. It will be a long ride for us, guys, but it's okay as we will see the beauty of nature along the way. So after 2 hours of driving, guys, so we decided to have some lunch along the road, and we have some seafoods and oyster. It was the best lunch, guys, kapag nasa Pinas talaga. Dapat seafood, kahit everyday pa, guys. After a long ride, guys, we finally reached Bacolod City. And I forgot to mention, guys, that we also surprised the parents of Rayalyn. So, di nila alam, guys, na nakauwi na kami sa Pinas. So, unfortunately, guys, we weren't able to took any video because all of us were excited and sleep in our mind na mag-video. So, we had a great dinner, guys. We went to the steakhouse and we ended the night at Rambuhan. So, it's one of the newly opened restaurant there in Silay sa area nila ni Rayalyn, and we have some beers and dancing, and we had so much fun, guys. Kahit pagod kami sa biyahe, but we had so much fun. Hi, guys. Good morning. Pagkatapos lang namin mag-breakfast, and nakaligo na din ako, guys. So, nandito na nga pala kami sa bahay ni Rhea. Tumating kami kagabi around 11 something kasi nag-dinner kami sa steakhouse and nag-bar kami saglit. So, almost 12 midnight na kami dumating dito, and then yan, natulog agad kasi sobrang pagod na. So, ngayon, tapos na kaming mag-breakfast, and yung plano namin is pupunta kami doon sa seafood restaurant na malapit lang din dito sa bahay ni Rhea kasama yung family niya. Yung weather today is gloomy, and then umuulan siya. Hindi naman malakas na ulan, pero umuulan. But it's fine. The weather is still nice though. Yeah, antay lang namin yung family ni Rhea. It's still very early. It's still 10:30 in the morning. So, alis siguro kami dito around 11:30 or 12 na. Kasi kaka-breakfast namin, sobrang busog pa namin. So, we will be staying here in Bacolod for a week, maybe, and we'll go to Cebu after. So, yeah, guys, I'll update you later.
Swear we'll be better than I was. That I was special. We will be together, but I've never been so wrong. Tell me, was it worth it? My heavy heart is broken, but now you're telling me that yours have opened. Anyway, baby, it's so much. Then I feel just like a foolish. I have found a stupid loser. I'm low, 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 low. 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 Swear we'll be better than I was.
Hello! We're here in Tumungtong Eco Trail. So, it's located in Ibi, Magalona?
Yes.
Okay.
My province.
Yeah. So, my entrance fee, guys, it's 25 pesos per head.
Straight.
And it's quite, tawag dito, papasok papunta dito. So, from highway, it will take maybe 25 minutes going inside. But the place is so nice.
I guess that you forgot the best. I you happy in your life? Something's not clear, and I don't see that you feel hurt or that you miss me. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. Baby, your love is like fire, it's burning my heart and my body. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. If you were in love, if you were in love, tell me if you're nice. Oh yeah, call me in the night. Yeah, can we talk about love? Let's talk about love. Tell me about your life, and then you got. I guess that you forgot the past. I see you happy in your life. Something's not clear.
Hi guys, good morning. Another day here in Negros, and today we are going to Landers to have some groceries. So sinamahan namin yung parents ni Rhea kasi gusto nilang mag-check sa Landers to buy some groceries for the Christmas. So I wasn't able to take the video inside Landers, guys, as to my surprise was not allowed. Anyway, so after namin nag-Landers, guys, me and Raylan decided to have lunch in Manokan Country. So hindi na sumama yung parents ni Rhea, guys, kasi madami pa silang gagawin. So kami lang dalawa ni Rhea na. So anyway, nag-decide kami na mag-lunch nga sa Manokan Country, and it's one of the best chicken inasal, guys. So don't miss it out, guys, if you are in Bacolod City. Yes guys, we're done eating in Manokan Country, and lahat-lahat na bayad namin is 390. So dalawa na yun, dalawang manok, isang pork barbecue at isang isaw. Dalawang rice and soft drinks. Sobrang mura, but the taste is worth it. Sobrang busog namin. So yeah, pupunta kami sa Punta Taytay. Let's go! Let's go! Hi guys, good morning! It's already on 9:30 in the morning, guys. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. And today is Tuesday. It's November 5. So, di na ako nakapag-vlog. Hapon may vlog ako, pero hindi masyadong. Nagpunta lang kami ng Bacolod City. Minute namin yung friend ni Rhea, best friends niya, and then nanood kami ng volleyball game kasi may laro sila yesterday. So sobrang saya, sobrang saya ng laro, guys, as in. Tapos sabi, pumunta kami ng birthday kasi birthday ng pamangkin ni Rhea. Pumunta kami sa kabilang bahay, and then naginuman lang saglit. Yun lang yung ganap yesterday, guys. So, ngayon, we're planning to go to Bacolod City again to have some grocery kasi si tita may bibilhin ng mga pang-regalo, mga grocery. And pupunta kami ng 888. Mag-ukay-ukay daw kami, guys. So, yan yung ganap. And then, hindi pa namin alam kung pupunta kami ng Campus Tuhan or Ilaya. We're just planning kasi walang driver. Naghanap pa kami ng driver. So yeah, yan yung plano today. And I'll see you later. Maliligo lang muna ako. Bye! Hi guys! Update sa vacation ko dito sa Negros. So, today is Wednesday. Hapon na, guys. It's around 3 p.m. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. As usual. Kasi gumising kami around 9:30 and then diretso na breakfast, and then yun, nagpa manicure at pedicure sila Rayalyn at saka si Tita Jinx. So kahapon ako nagpa-pedicure. So yun, yung ganap today is nandito lang kami sa bahay, and maybe later at 5 p.m. May malapit na resort dito sa bahay nila ni Realin, within Silay lang. So pupunta kami doon kasi yung mga pamangkin niya magsi-swimming, kasi may parang maliit na resort na may swimming pool lang. So dadalhin namin sila doon, and then konting salo-salo na rin. Kasi by tomorrow guys, pupunta na kami sa Cebu. Uwi na kami ulit sa Cebu kasi by Friday. Kasi long weekend. So, punta kami sa Cebu, then magsusumilon Island kami. So, yun. So, magla-land trip lang kami bukas ni Rhea papuntang Cebu via Toledo City guys. So, madaming options dito papuntang Cebu if you want to go for like land trip and then by ferry. So there's north and south na option ka guys. So me, I prefer to go to south kasi mas malapit lang siya sa amin. So if you want to go to south, you will be going to via Don Salvador and Toledo City. So kung gusto mo naman sa north, via Escalante siya guys, and then going to Tabrelan. So, yun yung option. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano yung pamasahe. And the travel, it will take, I think, 5 hours. I'm not quite sure. But, maybe 5 to 6, ganun. Kasi nga, kung via Tabelan kayo guys, may option kayo nga to take the fast craft. So, at least 45 minutes to 1 hour lang yata siguro. So, mas mabilis siya guys. Yun. Yun yung kukunin namin bukas. So, agahan siguro namin para hindi kami masyadong magabihan sa daan. Yun. So, hopefully guys, maganda yung weather bukas. Kasi, lately, dito sa Negros, umuulan siya. Pwede nang umaga. Actually, umuulan talaga ng malakas. Kaya hindi kami umalis. At least ngayon, huminto na siya. May araw na. Kaya itutuloy namin yung salo-salo namin doon sa yung resort, Lucitas Resort. So yun, ito kami doon mamaya guys. So yun lang yung ganap for today guys. Hindi kami umalis ng bahay, dito lang kami.
You were there when I was here, feeling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me, cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If it takes
I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. Listen the way you touch me. I don't know much about love, but I keep on checking my phone to see when you're home or when you want me to pull up. We're one and the same. You got me caught in the days. I love it when you say my name real slow. All my love is yours. I'm swimming everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Said I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. Inside my head. Every time you move, you're looking like you're dancing. I think that you could have it. Everything you do, I wanna do it with you. Don't ever wanna miss you. too many